Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dypius token. Ticker symbol is DYP. Now this token was just announced that they got this brand new central exchange listing on a very big crypto central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Dypius token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Dypius, I could be pronouncing that wrong, Dypius, that's how it's spelled though, is being listed here on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DYP, and then simply just buy the token. So it says up until the 18th here, which is today, is a voting period, where you can vote with MX tokens. And then you can get involved with that. Now you can check that out on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official. Get involved with this reward pool. They have over 1.5 million DYP token reward pool for getting involved with this Kickstarter event. And then the token will be listed on Mexc after that. So, Mexc Global referral code in the description box if you don't have an account, so check that out. Now, Dypius is a powerful, decentralized ecosystem with a focus on scalability, security, and global adoption through next-gen infrastructure. Dypius offers a variety of products and services that cater to both beginners and advanced users in the digital space, including yield farming, staking, DeFi tools, NFTs, and metaverse gaming. Now, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a price right now of around 21 cents, 213 holders so far. Their market cap, fully diluted market cap, $47.8 million, and then their circulating supply market cap of $4.7 million, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply, 229,926,862 tokens. Now their Twitter, as usual, I'm going to put up on the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. They're doing insanely well. 118,000 followers on there. On their Twitter, it also says that they're followed by BitTrue. So BitTrue Global is another central exchange. So most likely they're already listed on BitTrue or going to be listed on BitTrue soon. So that's why these central exchanges follow. You'll see they follow certain tokens because they're either in the works of getting a listing on there or they're already listed. So check out that BitTrue referral code down there as well if you don't have a BitTrue account. That's another great central exchange along with CoinEx Global, WealthSimple Trade. They're all down there, so go check all those out. Now, they have a link to their Telegram on this Twitter here. So you basically can find all the links here on this Twitter at Dypius on Telegram. Then they have a link to their webpage, dypius.com. Gold verified check mark there on Twitter, 2,127 tweets, so very active on the socials. Their Telegram has over 10,400 members on it. So check out their Telegram as well. It says DYP token migration is now live. So easily migrate your old DYP tokens from Ethereum BNB chain and AVAX to the new DYP V2 token on Ethereum. So that's what this project is. So they had an older project, and now this one is going through migration and then also getting these brand new central exchange listings, starting with Mexc Global. So they're kind of doing both at once, migration and new listings all at the same time. So it says, we are committed to providing our users with the best possible experience. As part of our commitment, we are enhancing the DYP's tokens performance, security, and utility. The migration will allow us to implement improvements and ensure long-term sustainability of the DYP token. So that's why they are doing the migration. They show you what progress they've made on their page. So far they've migrated 46.83% of the tokens. And they have 37.4 million tokens migrated already. In the top right-hand corner of their page, they have DYP tools. So you can click on that. That'll take you over to app.dypius.com, and that's where you could actually use the application and the tools involved in this project here. So the Dypius Metaverse is becoming a reality, an innovative platform that redefines the gaming industry by implementing cutting-edge technology. Users will get access to an immersive experience unlike anything available on the market today. They have the DYP tools, powerful dApps, a wide range of interactive decentralized applications, access to real-time data analytics, review and support tokens from various promising projects. So tons of info on here about that. The DYP token is empowering the future. Explore the multiple possibilities with our unique token. They have the Dypius Vault that earns 5% annual percentage rate. It says earn rewards by securely depositing your assets into the Vault smart contract. Now they have tons of partners on here, like Chainlink, Coinbase, Coin98, Cyber Network, CoinGecko, CoinFlux, Pangolin. I mean, tons. I mean, you could go through tons of those, and also announcements, basically like blogs or news articles that you could check out. All sorts of different links there. They have roadmap. They have tokenomics, team section, governance, bridging, metaverse. Insane amounts of stuff on here. So the DYP token is a utility token that provides the foundation for the Dypius ecosystem with a decentralized platform that focuses on scalability, security, and global adoption. It's got unique solutions. So Dypius offers unique features in the DeFi space, like our innovative anti-manipulation feature that protects users and their funds. There's adaptability. Dypius possesses the expertise and flexibility to quickly adapt to new and emerging market trends. Wide variety of products. So Dypius offers many products that generate value to our users, like staking, farming, vault, buyback, NFTs, governance, and more. They're committed to security. They have trusted partners, and they also provide education and protection. So again, just the utilities, there's a lot of utilities. There's farming, staking, governance, the tools, the vault, the bridging, the NFTs, the launchpad, referrals, the game, locker, metaverse, so much stuff. You could check it all out at dypius.com. They have so many links on here. You could read information for hours, but in a nutshell, that's what the token is, and that's what this project's all about. And they're getting this brand new Mexc global listing, so check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.